Wala kupu mara Tuisinavemauluomoto'otua. Ele paia le au balanga wa fio mai makala mai ao. Kena mai kena koutou haere mai. Le ala wa e fangua ngaluenga safikai kunga yai la uli ma le au manga. Sama kau sai dia se lau. Lewa mako wa mia le lau kamu kafe ngalo fisai le kui mangua male kai lunga le vasa. Mau ai le kai sama. Lewa mai fai ele ngaluenga ngai kai ao. Sama kau wa mia seipu. Lewa mako mia le ipu ngai mangalifa ulunga kangifa le ukua le maka. Fai mai asu ele pa. Lewa mai kau awa ipu le kai ao fisi fa. Mako wa mia se vai. Lewa mako mai le vai nga penga ai ku yanga pulu pa yanga fai aku wa pa yanga. Lewa mai su yai le kau ke ma le kau ma. Ai le fau. Lewa mako mia le fau le lawa le fau fai ngai ku au. Lewa mai lu yai le kongo le kai ao. Roko wa kongo lewa mako faki ko yai le vai ma le langa ma wa le lupa ma le penga. La uli ma le manga la fai ngai ma le venga. Wow! Sila wa
Amaya! Abigia wakasi!
Talofa lava, kia ora, good morning everybody. It is a great privilege and a tremendous honour to be with you all here today. Can I say to you, Mr Prime Minister, thank you to you and to all of your government and to all of the people of Samoa for the very warm welcome that you have extended to me and my delegation. Can I say to the great people of Apia Village, thank you for this great honour. We are now connected forever. And I just want to say the honour itself represents I think the honour itself represents the very special bond between our two great countries of Samoa and New Zealand. As has been alluded to in the speeches today, it is not just a relationship, we are family. And we are very, very proud of this relationship and this family. Can I tell you, we are also incredibly proud of our Samoan Kiwis who have come to New Zealand, have worked incredibly hard, achieved and contributed so much to our great country and have enriched it and made it much, much better. And I know for all of us and for the Prime Minister and myself and our governments, we are determined to continue to build on the great relationship we have today, to make it even better, to take it to even greater heights. So again, can I say thank you very much for this great honour. It's a tremendous privilege and I very much appreciate it. Manuia.
Ministry of Justice and Courts Administration. Honorary Matai Title Certificate. This is to certify that the Right Honourable Christopher Luxon has been bestowed with the title Tuisinavemauluomoto'otua of the village of Apia in the district of Waimaunga on the 16th day of March 2026 on an honorary basis dated at Mulinu'u, 16th of March 2026. Signed by Papali John Taimalalangi, affiliate the registrar.
Ja.